So I just got this 2 days ago and I was actually able to use it for a client yesterday. I was shooting an event for LSKD in a athletic tracks theme place. And originally I was just going to use it as my BTS camera, but then I realized, you know what, let's put it to the test. Look, first impressions, amazing. I actually can't believe how good this camera is. The image quality that came out of this camera I think is pretty much on par and actually even better than the one that I use with my main workhorse, the Sony A7R4, which makes sense because it is the little brother of the Sony A7R5, the latest version of the R series that I prefer using for my client shoots. But what really stood out to me is how light and tiny this is. When you're walking around for 4 hours with 2 cameras both sides, I usually have my back like spasming within like the first hour or so, but having this on my left side with the 24mm, it was just fantastic. Now, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. 2 things that I struggled with the most. One, the screen or the viewfinder. It is true, it's not the highest quality, but because I was editing throughout the day, I could see the photos as I went. So I sort of just had to trust myself that the photos would look good, even though they don't look as good looking at the monitor or the viewfinder. Secondly, losing the joystick is really hard. I've been using the Sony A7R4s for the past 4 years now, and that is like an extension of my hand. I know how to use it with my eyes closed, half asleep. Losing the thumbstick to help with the focusing wasn't the best thing. Bonus though is the insane autofocus in this camera. I can't believe, and there's so many things that I can't believe just because I really bought this camera thinking that this is going to be my behind the scenes or my C-cam, but it's proven itself, and the autofocus on this camera paired with a Sony lens is just unbelievable. All in all, I am super happy with this little purchase, and I'm really looking forward to being able to use it in my other shoots, mainly in the studio, because that is the bulk of what I actually do. But so far, amazing.